What is up, gamers? It's your favorite gamer here, Killer Shark Gamer YT. And in today's video, we're going to be doing an up-to-date tier list on Roblox Skywars kits. Alright, you know, Skywars in Roblox is a pretty fun game. Yeah, Skywars, guys. Come on. You gotta play your Skywars. Anyways, in today's video, I already said what we were doing, but also, not only we're ranking these kits, but I have a Bedwars god next to me. Yeah, okay, it's not Zeus or anything.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, his name is Sam Jordan. Yeah, let's just go with that, I guess. But yeah, he will be ranking my accuracy on my tier list. From godlike, really cool, pretty good, okay, meh, trash. Hold on, wait, I gotta fix something. Alright, there, perfect. Oh my god. Thank you! I know, it's YouTube is one word, but like, internet is epic. Alright, let's get into the video. Intro. Okay, cringe. Anyways, let's get started. Are you ready, Sam?
Yep.
Alright, we got the jack-o'-lantern dude. I would have put him in really good if it wasn't for one thing. He basically has these oil blobs that he chucks at people's foreheads and makes them have like sicknesses or something like that, I don't know. But it damages you too. If it didn't damage like the team that like threw it, that it would be right here. Or no, it'd be like right here. Right here. But because of that, it's
I agree with that.
Yeah.
I mean, because like it is good for defending like the bed, but it's not very good for attacking because you can't go in the oil blob.
Yeah, exactly. But it is really fun to troll with it by putting the oil in the iron generators of people's bases. I personally troll with this kit sometimes, and I have a lot of fun. But yeah, let's just keep it there. Alright, Elder Tree. We can all agree on this one. Don't you?
Yeah, I because like it used to be so good, but now you have to use the kit skin, and that's like kind of like meh.
Yeah, I want to be a big
huge
chunky flamingo with this guy. Big chunky realistic boy. Anyways, now we're on Turret Kit. Okay, this guy's interesting. Okay, because he's not good, but he's not bad. Like, he's kind of like in the middle. And that's why there's an okay thing. We can put him in okay. Because he's good for certain game modes, but some it just sucks. Okay, let's just be honest. Like solos, this kit ain't made for solos. Like, I don't know what you talking about. What do you think, Sam?
I think it's made for squads.
Yeah, I agree, but do you think it's made for solos?
No.
Good. Alright. Should I go on to the next kit?
Yes.
Alright, this guy. So, I'm not sure where to put him. The spirits, they're pretty good. First of all,
Really
like,
good. That's where he needs to go.
I would have put him in like okay or pretty good, but the fact that you can hide spirits inside of blocks makes this kit godlike, because you can basically trick people into coming to your base, hide a spirit under your bridge or something like that, and it can just randomly just pop up and it can just kill you.
Yeah, and by the way,
the
Cole is going to be doing half of them, and then I'm going to be doing the other half.
Okay. I agree with that. Should I do up to like... Well, I want to do some of these Christmas
Okay, go faster.
kits.
We don't have much time.
Okay. Wait, where's the recorder? Okay, so the screen recorder just stopped randomly. This is the tier list so far. But, yeah, I know, Sam. Okay, how about this? I'll do from right here to like right here.
Okay, you do from Aries to Sam.
Alright, yeah. So now let's go Aries Kit. This guy is not does not belong right there. He belongs right here because his spears, they confirm themselves to do 25 damage, but they really only do like 2 damage. Nice try, Bedwars.
I will say one thing though. If I was doing a tier list, I would put it at really good because if you have a teammate in like 30v30 and you're barbarian and he gives you spears, you can throw them into the window and you can get a rage blade in like 30 seconds.
Okay, I mean that is a good point, but also it's so hard to get just for some dumb spears you can get in Lucky Block. But yeah. Now we're on this guy. No comments about that. Fisher Kit. Godlike, better than you. Better than you. Dude, what is the problem with this tier list? Anyways, Fisher Kit. Let's talk about Fisher Kit. Fishing rod, pretty OP. You can get emeralds and diamonds in matters of seconds.
It's just luck. It's luck based, but it's good luck based.
Unless
so
you're
that's
really,
why it's called
unless you're really lucky like me, which I am. Anyways, next kit, Trapper Kit. This is obviously the most insane kit we have ever seen. It places transparent traps, which would obviously trick the player into thinking you can't see them. Very intelligent kit in my opinion. Oh wait, what's that? Oh, I guess the Trapper Kit was going to be up here, but then accidentally just slipped and fell all the way down here. I don't know what happened right there. It just fell or something like that. Rip the Trapper Kit, I guess.
I agree. Okay.
Now we have the Vanessa Kit. This kit would be really good.
Yeah, really good.
It would be right here. But there's one problem. See, in the hand of Vanessa, she has a dark bow. Seems pretty lit, if you ask me. Yeah, I know, right? But you don't get to experience the dark bow in the game because, obviously the Bedwars devs are lazy. They're too busy putting out useless updates, and they are confirmed to be. Alright, next one. We got whatever the heck this kit is supposed to be.
Yeti?
The godlike kit.
Can I talk for this one, Cole?
Yeah, talk. I'll tell you my opinion after.
I think this kit is very good because it used to be really OP and hey y'all, okay. So basically, it used to be very good and stuff, but I think it's very good because it simply is. You can, if you do your glacial roar, you can get beds so easy.
I agree.
I don't think that this is like the best kit for getting beds. If I'm being completely honest, I think that the Sin is the best kit for getting beds.
I agree.
I don't think a lot of people would agree with me on that, but
I do.
But like I think it's the Santa kit's great and would go right here probably.
Also,
this would
Sam,
go right there. It's better than Vanessa, but it's not better than.
Sam, let me also remind you, we only have 7 more minutes to rank these kids until the video. No, wait. Let's actually stop wasting time and put all the useless kits in their fair categories. Give me 1 second. Alright, now Sam is going to rank the rest of the kits. Yeah. But yeah, as you can see, we put all the useless kits in their categories. But yeah. Take it away, Sam.
Okay, so Archer, I think that Archer's like a decent kit.
Killer Shark First link down in the description.
Yeah.
I agree.
I think it's a pretty good. It's better than Farmer, but it's not better than Baker because Baker I think is a super underrated kit, but I wasn't the one who rated it, so I think that it's good. This is the technical crossbow after the nerf happened. But I think that it has a lot of potential and is a good kit. Bounty Hunter, it's okay. I mean, it's only good for duels, and I think they removed duels. So, yeah.
They did not. They did not remove it. They added it back in this update.
Okay.
Cotton 17K.
It's a mad kit. Everyone hyped it up with the buff and that it was so good, but it's actually not that good.
If you can move regularly with a flamethrower and actually did decent damage at tier 1, that'd be good.
Yeah. Trinity, I think it's really good. It's because, like, when you get the Void one, it's actually very powerful and, like, can help you with fights when on 1v1 in solos. Okay.
I agree.
Not even gonna ask about that kit. This kit, really good. Pretty good. The reason is because it's bad about literally everything else except for balloons. If you use it on balloons, there's no way to counter it. There's no way to do anything about it. You just have to die because it keeps on poisoning you, and you cannot back activate them.
Sorry, I was just watching YouTube.
Okay. Barbarian, best kit in the game. Okay, not best kit, but it is godlike because of the Rage Blade. Reaper, it's pretty good. It's like heals you, and you become like a transparent, like ghost. Or yeah. Then there's this. It's okay. I'm not gonna go into details about that one. It's just a pretty good kit. This kit is pretty good because it is, yes. Aries, best kit in the game. The reason for that is because if you get 20 kills, you can literally you can literally 2-tap with a stone sword. Freya, okay. I'm not saying it's a good kit because of I'm not saying it's good kit because of the freeze thing it has. I'm saying it's good because of the sword. It's basically like an early emerald sword bait, but like worse.
Also, I have a suggestion before you do anything else. I'm not sure if anyone agrees with me on this, but they should take Jade out of like one of like the battle pass kits, and they should make it like a kit you can buy for 400 Robux. Because I feel like it would be kind of like a good opportunity for people who haven't bought Jade kit yet to actually get it. Because like I feel like it's one of those more like average kits that like would be good to buy. Like, you know what I mean, Sam?
Yeah, I know what you mean. Santa Kit, I think it's really good. I think it's like the best kit for Breaking Bads. And yeah, okay, so there's oh my god, okay. Cole, why are we searching up those things?
I think that was you.
Why are
Come on, Sam, stop simping. We all know you're looking for a girlfriend.